Well, hello everyone. I'm now presenting the Ginger, a ruiva in Portuguese. A Honda Africa Twin CRF 1000L standard version. It's equipped with the luggage compartment and protections and a bigger screen, but is a standard one. So this is my first video speaking to the video. And I'm not an English native, so forgive my English here and there. It will be some mistake for sure, but the important thing is to communicate. And what I want to communicate? Well, to present you my Honda Africa Twin and travel Mototouring that I'm doing with it. Well, the bike itself, it's a very torquey beast. It has not much power. It's not very powerful in what matters to power itself. Only 95 horsepower, but it seems that it has a lot more. We are now traveling from Cabeceiras de Basto in northern Portugal to the Montalegre region in Alto Barroso. In a few instants, I will put you a picture just to for you to see how beauty it can be here in northern Portugal. We are now climbing to an altitude of 1,000 meters, more or less 3,200 feet. Well, the picture it's now Montalegre region, as you can see, paradise. So we are climbing to 1,000 meters of altitude here in the mountains of northern Portugal. Well, the trip is going in a very twisty road. We are in the beginning of December. This is the 2nd of December when I'm recording this video. It's dry, actually, a very beautiful sunny day. The temperature is around 10 degrees right now. In the next days it is forecasted to snow a lot, so the temperature will decrease, and at more or less this altitude, more or less 600 to 700 meters, it will snow a lot. And I know that because I'm recording the audio section a few days after, and it snowed indeed a lot, so a very intense cold, not totally normal, but in these highlands of northern Portugal it happens with some frequency. It snows a bit. Well, as you can see, the landscape is very mountainous. It's a beautiful road to do on a motorcycle. Actually, if you do it in a car or by foot, if you want to, it's beautiful again. But we are Mototouring, and this channel is for people in love by motorcycles. So I will speak about my CRF 1000L, my Honda Africa Twin, just a bit now. So it's a torquey beast, not very powerful, and that psychological barrier of 100 horsepower in a motorbike to be considered something powerful is not totally achieved, but it doesn't seem so. It is very torquey. The power that it has, it's more than enough. Of course, it all will depend on you being a motorcycle that likes to travel slowly, calmly. But if you want to give it a push, she corresponds totally. So it seems that that is more powerful than almost and only 95 horsepower. It never failed to me, so I'm totally happy with the Africa Twin. I don't need more, actually. I don't need more power. If I want to overtake or to push it a bit, the bike is totally there for me. It's very accurate when putting it in a bend, in a twisty road. Although it has 21 inches front wheel, it doesn't seem to have one. Is a very accurate bike, very precisely one. It is very good to be ridden, very comfortable. I took it once to France, from here, from Portugal to France, with a pilgrim and lots of luggage, so very heavy, no problem at all. Never failed in power to overtake or to climb the Pyrenees. Actually, it was one of the parts of the trip. So it's a very good bike. I totally love it for now. And she corresponds. It corresponds to what I was trying to find in a bike. Of course, there's no quick shifter, there's no other things like cruise control. I miss it on a long stretches in highways, mainly. It's not the perfect bike, but it's a very good bike, and I'm totally happy with the Honda Africa Twin for now. Well, this trip is to show you a bit of and some landscapes in Montalegre region, and so I will in the next few moments to show you the Montalegre region. We are now there, and this is Cavado River, one of the main rivers in northern Portugal. It's near its birthplace in Larouco Mountain, which is nearby. Here we are in Montalegre already, and you can have landscapes such as this beautiful waterfall in just leaving Montalegre region. If you want the track, I'll put you on the YouTube. Leave a commentary asking me and to do it, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the videos. You will help the channel this way, and thank you for being with me on this trip, in the first trip that I'm presenting my Ginger bike. Bye for now, and thank you very much.